Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find your hidden apps on iPhone with iOS 18. We just hid an app and I want to unhide this or find my app back. You can do this by swiping to the most right part where all your library is for your apps. And if you can see just right here, right in the bottom, there's an option where it says hidden. Now, if I tap on this option and I will do my Face ID, you see that our hidden app will appear here in this box. Now, right now, if I click on this app, with our Face ID, we can open this app. But if I go back, go to the hidden part, show my face again, and we hold our finger on this app, we can do add to home screen and then unhide app. And right now, it's back standing on our home screen where it was. So if we search for Silver Gear app now, here, if you can see, he will appear again. Alright, this is exactly how it works. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. If you have questions, please comment them below so then I can help you out. And then for now, thanks for watching.